Located on Florida's Gulf Coast, Clearwater is more than a destination. It's home to a resilient business community. From contractors and logistics firms to retailers and medical services, local businesses are driving the city's economic pulse. At New York Fast Funding, we work with business owners who need reliable capital to keep operations running smoothly and growing on their terms. When traditional financing becomes a barrier, slow approvals, rigid terms, excessive paperwork, it can hold your business back from seizing opportunities. That's why we've made our process simple. If your business earns $10,000 or more each month and has been active for at least 6 months, you may qualify. No hard credit check required. Most approvals are completed in 24 to 48 hours, with funds transferred fast so you can act without hesitation. In Clearwater, timing is everything, and your funding should never fall behind. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.